How to fix Steam not opening or working on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Hey guys, and let's get started. So the first method to solve this issue is close the Steam app. For this, you can either close it through the taskbar, or what you can do is open Task Manager. For that, click in the search bar and search for Task Manager. Search for the Steam tree and close all. After this, let's move on to the next method. For that, press Windows plus R to open the Run tab. Now type in %local app data % and hit the enter button. This will open the app data local folder. From here, select the Steam folder and delete it. Once that is done, let's move to the third method. So for that, again press in Windows plus R to open the Run tab. This time press in or type steam:/+config/ and hit the OK button. This should probably fix the issue. So that is it for today's video. For more such updated contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.